Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Tuesday. It's about 2:30 Eastern Time. Again, we had a mixed bag today. The cotton market's going to close down. We're right in the dead center of support, that 8,300, 8,200 area, and the market's electing to break off here just a little bit. It's around 82.5. The crop showed a little improvement yesterday when USDA put out their crop condition numbers. Although we're still running behind as far as gathering on a year-ago basis, but most gents we've talked to are in full swing or cranking up, and so the market is seeing the pipeline get filled, and I think that's a little bit of a negative. The last export number came out Friday afternoon, wasn't all that sensational. We need a better number come this Thursday. Over in the grains today, we saw a good correction yesterday in wheat corn, but today was the opposite. Corn down 6 cents, wheat up a penny, beans down 3 cents. The bean crop actually improved 60% good, excellent, went up 5 points. I'm surprised it's not down worse than it is, but it's around 13 bucks, so that's a little impressive. I think corn down some today because they're still putting on the wheat corn spread. And then corn, of course, running behind on its harvest, but nonetheless is improved in its crop as well. So, as we said last week, we're not quite 50% gathered on the corn. When we get to that point, I think corn can make a chance to at least flatten out, maybe try to trade up a little bit. It's been rather resilient about not breaking. And of course, the low for these corns 432. We certainly need to hold that area. I still think we'll see demand come in for corn if it creeps a little lower. We want to jump over and make a comment on the feeders today. Of course, feeder cattle have been in a bull market. They made new highs today, all-time highs. We're going to go, it looks like to us, above $170 per hundredweight, and probably higher than that. As we talk around the country, the feeder cattle numbers are just supremely tight. And if corn were to, and that may inhibit corn from at least having any kind of meaningful rally right now, that and, of course, the harvest pressure. So cattle looking pretty strong. Now, today we did get a jobs data that was a little bearish, we thought, but the markets basically took that in stride. The stock market was up 60 points. Crude oil's down $1, and so heating oil's down $1. That's good, I think. But one would have thought it would have dampened the demand for beef, but the numbers, I think, are just that tight. So, anyway, let's see what tomorrow brings for corn, beans, wheat, cotton. We'll be on here. If you have any questions or comments, call us, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.